In this video, we will take a quick look at running the Kentico Beta 5 in the Visual Studio 2010 Beta 2. One of the first things we want to do is go ahead and add in the Kentico CMS Controls. We can do this by selecting Toolbox. We can right-click, add a new tab, which we're going to call Kentico CMS. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our items. I'm going to go ahead and browse into, we're down in Kentico CMS 5, into our bin directory, and within here we're going to select the cms.controls.dll, and as you can see, that's going to select in all the different controls that we have. Then we're going to say OK. Now you can see that we've added those directly into the Visual Studio 2010 toolbox. Let's go ahead and take a look at the running project. If I start up Kentico CMS 5, you can see I'm in my corporate demo site, and within the corporate demo site, the page actually renders wonderfully. I can then go into our site manager. And as you can see within our site manager, I have access to all of the administration, settings tabs, development tabs, all of the different areas to manage my sites. I can then switch into our CMS Desk application. Within the CMS Desk application, we can go ahead and at our top level, you can see I've got access to my design page. And what's really kind of cool, I think, in version 5 is that we have a new web parts selector, which makes it a little bit easier to search and find web parts. Also, within Kentico CMS 5 on our design page running in Visual Studio 2010, I have access to all the normal things. So if I wanted to move around different zones, if I wanted to change anything that's available within this menu, I can actually do that. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and create a new blog post, I can select my blog. I can right-click on it. I can say New. Now I can say New Blog Post. And with here, we'll make this a test post with just a summary. And then our data. And when that's done, we'll go ahead and hit save. And you'll notice that I can do the standard things. I can preview it out. So this concludes our quick look at Visual Studio 2010 and using Kentico Beta 5.